Jennifer, welcome to Floor Talk. It's great to have you on the show.
Well, thanks for having me, Judy. It's a great pleasure to be here a year after we spun.
A year later, you're back at the New York Stock Exchange. You are celebrating your first anniversary today by ringing the closing bell. So now tell me, what has your first year as an independent company been like?
Yeah, the first year has been really incredible. The New York Stock Exchange has been an incredible home for us. As you mentioned, we were here a year ago to ring the bell. We're here today with some of my operating company presidents to ring the closing bell. And I think the first year has really been about focusing on building trust and a track record. And effectively what that means is building trust with our investor base and a track record to ensure that we're delivering on our financial commitments, building trust and a track record with all of our associates. We've got 16,000 associates that we're focused on in terms of ensuring that they have the very best place to do their very best work at, and ensuring that we're doing a good job of serving customers. Customers who rely on us for the delivery of goods and services that help them solve critical problems.
Now, for those who are not familiar with Veralto, tell me about the company.
So we're a $5 billion enterprise with an ambitious remit of safeguarding the world's most vital resources. And effectively, we are committed to ensuring that the world has access to clean water, safe food, and trusted essential goods. It is a business that is steeped in purpose and our ambition around doing good on the planet and the world around us is fortified by making sure that we have a great place to work for our associates as well.
Now, you recently announced your Q3 earnings. What were some of the highlights?
Yeah, we were excited to bring forward our Q3 earnings, and I think Q3 was really a repeat of some prior quarters, really with respect to establishing a track record of performance. We came in with mid-single-digit growth rates and utilized the Veralto Enterprise System, which is our business system for continuous improvement and competitive advantage to help us improve margins.
Now, you also had some big news recently with the announcement of your first big acquisition since the spinoff from Danaher. So tell me about that.
Yeah, so that acquisition was TraceGains, and we are really excited to have them part of the portfolio. It is very clear to us that part of creating accretive value for the enterprise is through our M&A engine, and the ability to deploy capital to strategic benefit to investors, to customers, and to the associates is squarely within our remit. We really focus on three things when we look at acquisitions going forward, and that is to make sure that they are part of an attractive market that is characterized by long-term secular drivers within the remit of safeguarding the world's most vital resources, that the assets within them are attractive in and of their own right, that they have high levels of recurring revenue and can be improved with the Veralto Enterprise System, and finally, that we have the runway and the capability to get those assets at a good valuation. And we look for all three to intersect before we'll transact on a deal. TraceGains, we're extremely excited to have them part of the portfolio. They are a cloud-native software business that really focuses on ensuring ingredient safety, ingredient quality, and reduced time to market for large consumer packaged goods producers. And effectively, they have been added to our product quality and innovation segment as a key enabler for improved traceability for consumer packaged goods at reduced time to market, and we're really excited to have them part of the portfolio.
All right, well, Jennifer, 1 year completed as an independent company. What are you excited about for your second year?
Well, it's been a fast and furious year. There's been a lot to do. I think we're very proud of how we've come out of the gate, but I think year two is going to look a lot like year one. We are going to continue to stay disciplined in deploying the Veralto Enterprise System. We're going to be disciplined about hitting our commitments financially, our commitments to customers, and our commitments to our associates. And in doing so, I think we will continue to have a long and productive journey here in doing good for the planet and sustaining our commitment to making sure that we're building an enterprise where it's highly valued and a place where our associates really are thrilled to be able to fulfill their career ambitions.
Well, Jennifer, it's been wonderful having Veralto as part of the NYSE community for the past year. Looking forward to many more years.
Yep.
And thank you for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Well, thank you very much, Judy. It's been a pleasure to be here.